everybody, welcome back to the show. So today I'm reviewing not a single barrel, shocker. This is a bottle. I'm a little late to the game here. This has been out for a while. A lot of people have reviewed it. I opened this in a backstage or on one of our Google Meets about a week or so ago. Actually, was thoroughly surprised. Really enjoyed it. So, I'm happy to have it. Happy to do a review on it. Again, I'm a little late to the game. But before I get into it, few items. One, I stream every Saturday night. Come hang out with us, man. We have a good time. You can join the show or become part of the show. There's a link in the video description here that allows you to sign up to do a Beyond the Shelf, which is a segment where we come in remotely. You join the show and you show us your selection, what you got on the shelf, what you're proud of, what your least favorite pour is, and that kind of stuff. Or we can do a share a pour with friends, right? And just hang out, and we either share a pour that we both have, or we swap some samples and we share a pour. So two ways to interact with the show. Working on trying to get to that 500 subscriber plateau before the end of this year. So please come join me. Today we are reviewing, this is the Knob Creek Blenders edition. So this says edition number 1. So when they number it, it means there's going to be more. At least I hope there's going to be more, because this thing is actually really good. This is 106 proof, and it was hand selected and carefully blended. Okay. And it says sweet bourbon blend. It's 10-year-old age statement. So I think I'm going to be doing a blind with this. I think my 18-year and my 12-year, and maybe throw something else into the mix there. I'm not sure, but this is a little bit higher proof than those two, but those have a little bit more age statement. So we'll see who comes out on top of it. I just thought maybe it'd be an interesting blind to do. But tell you, Jim Beam, I love Knob Creek. I think it's one of their better expressions that they have, and just very affordable and everything like that. This is a great bottle. Alrighty, so get this in the Glen and see what we got. Now, what's pretty cool, I noticed this when I opened it. On the side, I'll see if I can get this. Okay, drop the cap. So that's not going to work tonight. They do have a little flavor wheel on the side of the bottle. It's pretty interesting. I remember when I first tried this here and I sampled it. It's kind of spot on, the flavors you get on this thing. So it's not super dark. It's pretty like a nice darker amber copper type of a color. It is pretty viscous, so it does coat the glass, and from what I recall, it does coat your palate. But there's no burn. Zero. Not even a tinge of ethanol on the nose. And you get that Knob Creek traditional nose, a little bit of that, for all intents and purposes, the Jim Beam nuttiness, but it is not a high nut level at all. Maybe for the guys, maybe, I don't know, nut level 1, maybe a 2. We have a running joke with our little group about nut level. So, this thing is just, you get some brown sugar, you get the oak, and just that barrel char on the nose. And that tinge, little tiny bit of nuttiness. But overall, this is actually a pretty good pour, I tell you. Wow. Okay. Cheers, everybody. Man. That is, wow, a little bit of a, I get a little bit of chocolate on the end, like a little bit of like a fudginess or a chocolate on the end of that. But the beginning is very much, oh man, almost like a caramel peanut. What's the payday bar? You get that that caramel, the nut, but not super nutty. And paydays, they're salty nuts with the caramel, but you got that vanilla that's on the inside. That's what you get on this thing. It's actually very pleasant, very easy to drink. This is a bottle that I never want to. I hate saying crushable, but this could be dangerous. I mean, this is something you can probably burn through pretty quickly. It's very easy to sip. It's unoffensive. Probably somebody who's new into whiskey or into bourbon would enjoy this here. It's not hot. It's not offensive. There's no. I get very little spices on it. It's just dark, nutty, creamy, nougat, caramel, chocolate. Oh, and the nose got better after taking a sip. Yeah. Okay. Blenders Edition. I'm a fan. I mean, Knob Creek is kind of like one of those sleeper brands for me. To me, the 12 year is probably one of the best pours out there. I absolutely love it. I actually do like the 18. People say it's too oaky. I actually enjoy it. It's actually pretty good. The 18 that I have is really good. I've had a few samples of the 21. That is for a 21-year-old whiskey. I mean, or bourbon. That is a phenomenal pour as well. And you cannot go wrong with the Shelf single barrel, which is 120 proof, or the single barrels that they're putting out now that are sometimes, it's kind of funny. They're the single barrels, they're barrel proof. Some of them are below 120, and then some of them are above 120. I've had both, and all of them have been absolutely phenomenal. And it's a good price. It's not going to kill you from a cost perspective. So, you know, Jim Beam, one of the legacy distilleries that's putting out some great product in their Knob Creek brand. Knob Creek brand. I tell you, I'm a fan. I mean, if you see it, grab it. I don't know. Good pour if you're into this kind of stuff. This is unoffensive, and it's probably something that if you can find it, get it, put it on your shelf. Oh man, it just smells incredible. Mm, yeah, good stuff. Well, as I end always, this is the West Virginia Bourbon Guy, reminding you that pours are always best when they're shared with friends. Cheers, everybody. Have a great evening, morning, afternoon, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Cheers. Well done, Jim Beam. Mm-mm-mm.